Okay. I came all the way over here. I was like, why do half? I can do. That's the bathroom again. So far, it's prime time. Excuse the mess in the back. So I did that. I had to move the fridge. I did that. Prime time. Get the corner. I have to wipe out the corner of the door because it's like, I did that. Don't worry, I'm gonna paint that. It looks dirty right now because of the sand and stuff, but I'm gonna paint. It's gonna take me a good while to finish what I had to do. I even did here because I'm like, what's the point of having it beige and then gray in the kitchen? So I did that part. And the floor is a mess again. And my fingers. So yeah. This is me, y'all. Sunday. But yeah. I did it. I can show myself, but I don't want to.